Welcome to Fiji, baby. The ocean safari. Let's go on ocean safari, yeah. All right, we are getting ready for our very first boat adventure. We're focusing on fishing today. We got fishing poles, we got spear guns, we got wetsuits. We're super excited. We got the boat started up. Oh my gosh, this is really happening. This is real life. We are experiencing real life right now, but it's like a dream. Unreal. Okay, we got this.
We got something.
Now just start reeling. Start reeling it in.
Oh my gosh, this is the big boy.
Oh my gosh,
filming?
look at it. What is it? It's a good one. Oh! Look at that. Is that a tuna?
It's a tuna.
Oh my gosh. Oh man. This is epic.
We got something. What is it? It's beautiful though.
It is beautiful.
It looks like a Kit Kat.
What is it?
What is it?
It's different, isn't it? All right, Steri, this is your first trip to the Mana Sandbar. All right, we're gonna drop the family off here, and then I'm gonna go spearfish around the point up here off the reef. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing, baby. Go! Yoo-hoo! Hey, buddy. Derry. Whoa, nice! Probably not.